Yes, boys and girls, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up AdSense ad codes manually on your website. This can be used on any kind of website, whether it is a blog, WordPress, or a manually coded website. So I have a site here that I loaded, and the kind of ads we're going to set up are the manual ads. AdSense has both automatic ads like these ones which show up and are set up by Google automatically on the website, but you may want to set up ads manually in a custom location. For example, I can show you here. This is the same website, but you can see there's an ad showing at the top here, and also there's an ad showing at the top here. So these are manually set ads, and I'm going to show you how to create such kind of ad units and place them anywhere you would like to on your website, whether be it inside of posts, anywhere you want. Okay, so this is the website. I just removed the ads for demonstration purposes. Now we are going to work on how we can add back those ads. So log into your AdSense account. Once you are logged in, now click on ads on the side here. Then what we're going to do is to go to by ad unit, and then if you don't have any ad unit, you have to create an ad unit. So to create an ad unit, you will see here create new ad unit. Then there is display ads. I would encourage you to use display ads because they are responsive. They can fit in any place you provide, and they can take up any size or form. So click on display ads. Now you have to create an ad unit, and then the ad size, I would recommend you leave it to responsive if you don't have any specific requirements. So you can set fixed and then give it a width and height, but you may limit the number of ads that are available to show in that specific if there is no ad of that specific size, that means the ad will not appear. So I recommend you leave it as responsive. This will give you an automatic size depending on the device the visitor of your website is using. So now we need to give this ad unit a name. I'm going to call it tutorial ad unit. Then click on create, and then you will see here the ad code. So I'm going to exit out of this code generator, and now on our ads here we can see tutorial ad unit, then other ad units that I have. So we are going to first set up the ad that shows at the very top of the body. In this case, if you want to view ad code for an ad unit, just click on this get code, and then you see the ad code for that ad unit. I'm not going to use this ad unit you have just created because a new ad unit will take up to like an hour for ads to start showing on it. This will not be okay because I want to show you that ads will actually load after we have set up the ad unit. So for that, I'm going to implement code of already existing ad units, which I'm sure will show automatically after we have put the code on our website. So I'll take this ad, which is named technology ad, click on the code, and then I copy its code. Then now I will go to the Blogger dashboard. For this video, I'll be demonstrating using Blogger. If I go to theme, then edit HTML, I'll be seeing the HTML code for this site. So I'm going to search for body. Press Ctrl F, then I search for the opening body tag. Then I press enter, then that will take me to the body. So here at the top of the body section, I want to put that ad, and then I save. This will take a few seconds. Now once the app shows you update successful, or if you are just implementing it in your site, and just make sure the updates are saved. Now if I reload this page, you should see the ad pop up there. Let me reload it again. Okay, you can see the space has been created for the ad, and right now it is not feeding, just maybe. Okay, it has come. So now we need to set up the other ad that appears here, and in this method we are going to use the theme layout to do that. If you want to place ads inside of a post, you click on your posts, then click on a post, then click on that pencil icon and switch to HTML view, and then you can place ads anywhere. Like you can see here, there's an ad. So that's how you place ads inside of a post. Okay, so now let's implement the other remaining ad. So for that, I'm going to use this ad, which I call display. Click on that, copy the code, same process. Now go to theme layout, then for this template we have a placement for the ad here. So I click on edit, and then this is an HTML/JavaScript gadget. The title is ads, and then the content that is will be the ad code. After pasting that ad code, you save, and just make sure the changes are saved very well. You click on this save down here. This will save everything. For example, if you make a change here, maybe another change here, you have to use this one at the bottom. Make sure everything is saved. Now let's go ahead and refresh this other page, and we should see the ad down here. As you can see, the space has been created for the ad, and as soon as the page finishes loading, the ad is shown. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss future updates on videos like this.